Well, hey, we are SEA Financial. My name is Rob. I'm here with Chris and Orla, our CPAs that own it. I'm just on the marketing team. And if you're looking for bookkeeping services, if you're looking for an accountant, that's what we do here. And I've gotten to know Chris and Orla over the last couple of months here, and I really appreciate how they provide not just your simple tax and accounting services, not just your basic bookkeeping, which you guys make sure the books are good, but you provide that leadership for businesses that are trying to scale, trying to improve their cash flow, and really trying to improve profitability. Chris and Orla, why don't you just introduce yourselves if folks are looking for accounting and bookkeeping? Who are you? Help us to get to know you just a little bit, and tell us a little bit about how you're different than the typical bookkeeper.
Well, sure. Well, thanks, Rob. So I'm Chris. I've been in corporate finance and accounting for nearly 20 years. Specialty was really to go into various organizations, various industries, and really identify the key drivers of the business and help improve that. Not just look at the past, but how do we drive better profitability, better cash flow going forward? And so we are trying to adapt that now to smaller and medium-sized businesses who just don't have the interest or the finances to have a full finance and accounting team in place.
Now, Orla, you are the accountant. Chris is a little bit more of the CFO. You guys have a tandem going here as husband-wife team, which I think is fantastic.
Right.
You guys have 3 kids. You have a family. Just tell me a little bit about your career path in accounting. You said you're with a larger firm, and just walk us through that a little bit.
Yes, I started out with Deloitte & Touche way back when it was one of the big 4 accounting firms. So I started that, did a lot of auditing and some other things. And then after that, I moved and worked for a CPA practice, a CPA firm for several years, and did a lot of taxes there, among other things, because it was a small firm. You got to do your hands were and everything, right? You just didn't do one thing. So I gained a lot of experience and learned a lot of industries while I was there. And then I moved to corporate accounting. And so did that for several years before finally we started a business before this one. And so we have experience starting our own business as well and running that. And now we're in accounting. We're both CPAs, and we looked at each other as like, why not? We have this experience. We can use this to help other businesses. And so if you need an accountant, please reach out to us. Whether or not you need your books cleaned up, we can help you with that. If you just need a new CPA because something is going on, yours is retiring, or you're doing something new and you feel like you need us to come in and help you, walk alongside you, help grow your business, we can do that too. And we would be happy to do that, not just do your books, but also educate you along the way so that you can make better business decisions and be successful.
That's great. That's great. And all I would encourage, if you're a business owner or if you're part of a team of a kind of a mid-size or larger business, if you're at kind of that 1 to 5 million point, you guys help smaller, but really you add so much value to help people understand where is your profitability really coming from? How do you free up cash flow? You do aggressive and proactive and pretty intelligent tax planning, which I've really gotten to appreciate too, so you can free up some cash flow. But this idea of, and I know that in business, when you take control of understanding what's happening and then create systems and processes around the finances, you are able to scale unlike any other, and you really can't until you establish that. So any business owner that's thinking of working, what's the first step? They give you a call, book on your website, and what does that look like as people get started with you?
Yeah, sure. So either way, give us a call, send an inquiry through the website. We'll be happy to either jump on the phone, jump into a meeting, spend some time really getting to know you, getting to know your business, understanding what it is that you are looking for. What are your goals? What are you trying to achieve? And then we'll go from there, depending on that conversation.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, thank you so much. If you guys are looking for an upgrade in your accountant, whether your accountant's more of a historian or just you feel like it's you've outgrown that, you guys can even work alongside some other accountants too, and serve more as that fractional CFO. If you're a business owner or a team looking for that, go to seafinancial.com. You can book a consultation and they will help you get started. So appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. And we look forward to helping you.